So we're going to go get
slime.
what? That's what we're going to be doing today.
Why?
Because we want to play with slime.
We're gonna go get some slime stuff because we're making DIY slime for the first time because I've never made it in my life. Have
Yeah,
you
I've never made slime.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some stuff to make some slime.
We're back and ready to make some slime. Okay. We already mixed most of our ingredients. This is just water and we're gonna mix the glue in it. This is water mixed with a borax, and I forgot the measurements, but we can link them down below because I'm stupid. So which one are you gonna make first, sister? I already know which one I'm going for. I'm gonna do these with some this. Ooh, should I put some of this in it? And I'm gonna use the clear one.
Should I just go for the eyeballs?
I think you should do a colorful one right now. I think you should do the gold one right now.
Oh.
And then we can
Pretty
do
one
crazy
right now.
ones later.
Okay.
I'm gonna put half a cup of glue. Dang, this is a lot of glue. I'm gonna put it in here. Gross. Close up.
Oh.
Also guys, we're back and sitting down and I'm much happier. So now we're gonna pour this into our Tupperware. This is so much slime. Ah!
I love slime.
Bruh, I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
How many of these should I add?
A lot.
Yours now is good to do with your hand.
It's
Just
orange.
pick it up and no, you're gonna like.
Hopefully it'll turn out yellow. This is pretty messy.
Mine's doing really well.
Oh no, I'm getting it everywhere. I really, really, really hope that this turns out kind of yellow.
It looks orange.
That does look, I'm not even gonna flex. Maybe we can go for like a bronze color.
This is
Crazy.
It's not slimy, it's like dry.
Dusty, you can't get this on your shirt, bro.
What happens if you get it on your shirt?
It probably won't come out. That's what if it's like just kind of dry, so you see what
Mine's like,
Oh my gosh. Same. I want mine to be slimy.
you need more borax, because that's the thing that's gonna activate this one.
alright, we're going off. We're straying away from the book.
I don't foresee this becoming a good idea. But we're gonna go with it. I'm just really, really.
Slimy?
Ooh.
She's not thinking a good way either.
Ooh.
Is the glue what makes it slimy?
I feel like we do need to add more glue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wing it, you know what I'm saying?
We're gonna be able to tell when it's starting to like slime up.
This is not slime.
And a smaller amount, I think you should do. And then until you get your like, and keep stirring it.
I feel like the glue just made it worse.
I do too. Alright, we need more water, more borax.
Stat, sisters.
Sad. Some slight technical difficulties, and now we're trying new things. We're just kind of going off the grid here. We're just kind of just winging it, really. Because we've never made slime before, and this isn't looking too
Not good at all. Not
good.
at all.
Yeah.
I feel as though this might be working. But then I take it out and I'm like, hell no, it's not. This is not working.
Maybe we just need water.
I don't know what it is, but it's not.
Briar, what are we doing wrong?
Yeah, the whole start was wrong.
What do you mean? Okay, we're retrying because this shit is not working.
slime
to,
tutorial?
please?
I'm switching my plate. This video might be a huge fail, but whatever. At least we had fun.
Did we? We were so optimistic at the beginning.
We're like, yeah, we got a recipe. We're doing well. Had it all organized, all pretty. Now look at it. This shit's pink. I didn't want pink. We're just gonna have to
Go with the flow because this shit sucks. Alright, I'm honestly over it at this point. Stupid. Slime is stupid. So I'm making a mermaid slime.
So stringy.
Pretty.
I'm scared I'm about to get this pink on my fucking shirt.
You.
I'm so over this, like y'all don't even understand.
It's not perfect, but it's slimy. Slime. She's so... I'm gonna add some...
That's too gluey. That's literally all glue. Yeah, no. No. It's just a no.
I have eyeballs and you can't even see them. It's like... Where are they? You know what I'm saying? Like, that wasn't exactly what I was going for, but it's a-okay.
Play with it. I'm pissed that I can't make slime. He just flung all the way over there.
It is very dangerous.
You should make some mermaid because I can't.
I'm gonna attempt the mermaid slime. And it'll be the last batch of slime that we will be making this evening because we are out of glue.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
Switching to the iPhone cam.
Okay guys, we're back. Still just trying to make some slime.
We're gonna throw this bad boy up. Does my hair look okay? If my hair doesn't look good, you heard it from Amanda first. It does.
Oh shit.
Hello, and
Can we get all this?
welcome back. Alright, since this is the last batch of glue that we have, we're just gonna throw everything into it.
So let's just do it.
So we're going to
Line it out. Ew, I don't like the feeling of it anymore.
I do. Alright, so as we all know, that's clearly not enough. So we're going to spread it back out and do some more. We're just going to empty out the rest of the bottle.
Damn!
Dab up all these sparkles on the table. You're gonna get some 0 carat diamonds in here. I
Gross.
think we should just stick them in there.
No, not a good idea. Alright, so we're gonna iPhone view into our nasty looking slime. Well, we're gonna cover this up with some glitter, make it look pretty. iPhone zoom in.
As you can hear all of our diamonds falling out. Oh, little burrito, if you will.
A little sushi
Little
roll.
Moe's Monday. Alright, that's enough of the iPhone cam. Back to the real cam. Okay, so that's all that we have for you today because I'm tired of playing with this slime. There's glitter all over me and ears.
Diamonds all over us.
We're used to that.
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed our disaster that became this video.
Yeah, next time we should probably like read into slime because what we have going on right now just does not cut it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Follow all of our social medias that will be listed down below. We really also would like you guys to keep commenting video ideas. Did anybody request this one?
I just wanted to make some slime.
Hey, I don't know why we're so bad.